Hey there! Today's video is going to be a super cute one. We are making these Kirby Whoopie pies. I did this one to look like a little witch because it is October and I wanted to do a Halloween theme for them. But you can always just keep it at a regular, traditional Kirby look. As always, the recipe and everything you need will be in the description box down below. Now let's get started on these whoopie pies. We're going to start with our room temperature butter and soften that up. Add your powdered sugar to this and combine that well. As always, you're going to need your spatula to scrape your bowl. Add 1 egg to this and combine that well until it gets fluffy. And again, scrape that bowl with your spatula. And then add your bubblegum extract or any flavor you like. Sift in your flour and your baking powder. Mix that well until it all starts to come together. And then what I like to do is dye the milk with the food coloring. I added pink to this, whisked it together, and then added it to the mixture and combined it well. The pink I went for was more like a Pepto-Bismol pink. Combine that well, and then add your second portion of the milk to this, and keep mixing for a couple more minutes until it's all well incorporated. And again, get that spatula and scrape your bowl. And what I did is took a small portion of that batter to dye it purple to make a little witch hat to keep to the Halloween theme. I added some blue to this, mixed it all well, and then added a little more pink again to get that purple tone that I wanted. The colors will be a little darker once you bake it. And here I added the pink mixture to a piping bag with a circle tip, and I did that as well with the purple. I stenciled out some circles onto a parchment paper with pencil. Flip it when you're done so that the pencil markings are on the sheet pan, and then pipe out your circles. Here I'm piping out the one for the witch character. I'm using my purple to create the hat. These will not spread that much and they do rise just a little bit, so they won't lose too much of their shape. And then I gave the pan a couple taps. Bake at 350 degrees for about 10 to 12 minutes. They should easily come off the parchment paper when they're done. And then you're going to need black, white, blue, and pink buttercream to decorate these. I did the eyes and the mouth with the black. I added a little bit of the catchlight with the white. Blue eye color with the blue buttercream. These are all circle tips ranging from sizes 2 to 4. I will leave it in the description box below. And here I piped on that little blush. And there's our original Kirby. And here's the little witch themed one. To keep it more Halloween like, I did the eyes in the mouth again. Did that catchlight with the white. The blue for the eye color. And then I added a little bit of that white again to just give it a little more catchlight effect to it. And then the pink for the blush on the cheeks. Now this is optional, but with the black I also added a little buckle and straps onto the witch hat. You can do this or you can just leave it as is. And then I got an equal size whoopie pie, filled it with the buttercream. You can do any filling that you like and match them up and created my whoopie pies. I made a little mad one as well, and here are the whoopie pie Kirby's. That's how easy it is to make these Kirby whoopie pies. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you want to suggest something else, leave it in the comments down below. And if you want to see pictures of these Kirby's and everything I make, I do post on Tumblr, Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook, and all those links are down below. If you want to keep up to date with my recipes and everything I post, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell if you want to be notified. And until next time, stay sweet.